Pinterest is the globe's shopping mall. So think about it this way. The person on Pinterest is going to the platform to search for ideas or maybe goals that they have, or maybe a renovation that they have in their house. And not only do they want to see what it might look like to put those pieces together, but they want to source the products that go along with the project that they're doing. So if you're an e-commerce seller, getting your products onto Pinterest is a great way to get in front of those who want to buy exactly what you're selling. I am Kate All from Simple Pin Media. We are a Pinterest marketing agency. Our job is to help you get better at Pinterest so that your business can grow using Pinterest. Today, we're going to dive into the basics of selling on Pinterest and how you can make sure those connections are made so you can boost your sales. First, let's start with the reasons. Why do you even want to get your products on Pinterest? Like I said, Pinterest users are primed to buy. Let's take a pillow, for example. Let's say somebody's looking for a couch pillow and they want to look at 20 different options and they want to look at their board, they want to gather them all together, and then they want to make a decision. They're in the mindset of making a purchase. So that's reason number one. They're already primed to buy. Reason number two is that Pinterest shoppers have 85% larger shopping baskets than any other platform. That means they're putting more in their cart than they would on Facebook, than they would on Instagram. They are gathering so many different ideas and they're ready to try and purchase all of those things to see what fits their needs. Pinterest is the place of positivity. This is reason number three. This is because people know that they trust, the know, like, and trust factor on Pinterest is there with brands because they trust them. They trust what they're selling. They can see all the different products that they offer. And so when a person goes to Pinterest, they are looking to curate their own life. They don't want input from other people. They don't want to see comments. They're not interested in any of that. And Pinterest does a good job at keeping those at bay so that people can make a purchase that they feel really, really confident in, and they feel really confident in the seller. Reason number four is that Pinterest is very good at targeting exactly what the user is interested in. They want people to open up their Pinterest app and see a feed that is filled with ideas and products that perfectly match what they're interested in. They are not interested in showing these users something out of left field. A common phrase we have here at Simple Pin Media is high intent and low intent. They know what the high intent of a user is. They know that they're searching for these couch pillows or candles, but they're also able to slip in other things into their feed that closely match what somebody might be interested in. So if you're looking at couch pillows, maybe you're also interested in coffee tables, or you're interested in chairs for your living room. They want to really get into the user's kind of whole world of what they're searching, and your products have an opportunity to get into those searches. Pinterest really wants to make sure that they're providing exactly what the user wants. That is the fourth reason, and the final one, that you really need to make sure your products are on Pinterest. Every single Wednesday, I put out a newsletter called Pinterest Made Simple. The one goal of this newsletter is to bring you the top 3 things you need to know about Pinterest for that week, in addition to any other resources that you would find important or can help you do a better job of marketing on Pinterest. It's about a 5-minute read, but you're going to want to read a little bit more in the links that I put in there. So maybe 15 minutes of time, but it's going to make you a better Pinterest marketer and find the resources that you need to continue to build your business using Pinterest. To subscribe, go to simplepinmedia.com/newsletter. It's a link below in the description, and it's totally free. Every Wednesday, pick up the Pinterest Made Simple newsletter. Okay, so now that you are bought into these reasons, I've sold you on why your e-commerce business needs to be on Pinterest. Here are 3 things that you absolutely need in order to make that happen. One is a business account. You can't sell any products on Pinterest without having a business account. It's against their terms of service. Plus, you get so many great things with a business account. You get access to ads, you get access to analytics, conversion tracking. There's just way more data. So don't try to run your business on a personal account on Pinterest. The second thing you need is to claim your website. This is very easily done in your business account settings, but basically this tells Pinterest we are a legitimate website. We do business on the platform. You have a business account, you have a claim site, the two go hand in hand. Very easy to set up. We'll put a link below in the description. Number 3 is your data source or your product catalog. The reason you want this set up is that you have all this inventory. And I might add too, this can be digital and physical. It's not just physical products that can be shown on Pinterest. So when you have that catalog, Pinterest, when you connect it, can see that your inventory is updated every 24 hours. That means pricing, that means quantity. And the reason this is so vital is that people find things on Pinterest, and when they click on them, it can go to a dead link, and they're really frustrated because they really want to see the product. This product catalog allows all the product images to be updated, and if you're out of stock on something, that product pin pulls from the platform. It's no longer there, meaning so that people can't click on it and come to your website and buy because you're out of stock. Once you do come back into stock, because that catalog is connected, all of a sudden it can come back on the platform. So you want to make sure the catalog and the product feed is connected. Okay, let's go a little bit deeper into the product catalog, because I think it's really important that you really understand how this product catalog connection can really extend your reach. One, it allows Pinterest to organically distribute your product. What this means is that anytime somebody is searching for your particular product, Pinterest is going to populate it in their product feed. And if you haven't used Pinterest in a while and you're kind of wondering how all of this works, here's a hot tip for you. You want to grab your phone, you want to use it for 10 minutes like a user. Look for products, search for your product name, see what the product interaction is like on Pinterest. And that will tell you how Pinterest is organically showing products into the feeds of people who are searching these particular items. So if you want to see how it works, bust out your phone and just look through it. Number 2 is join the Verified Merchant program. A couple of years ago, Pinterest realized people really like to search for products on Pinterest, but there's this really bumpy and clunky way that they get to the products on the person's website. We talked about the inventory problem earlier, and that was a huge thing for sellers. They had created a product, and years later, because the pin lives forever on the platform, they were having all these customers come to their website and say, "Where's the product?" And they were like, "Well, we were out of it like a couple years ago." Well, Pinterest wanted to create a program that said, you are a verified merchant with our platform. You have your catalog and your product feed is updated, and we are saying you are a trusted seller on our platform. You get a little check mark. It pops up right next to your name. I have verified merchant status for my digital products. So it's really can be a little bit clunky. We'll do another video on that. So click the link below in the description. We'll make sure we link to it when we do it. But getting that verified merchant status says, I am trusted by Pinterest to sell you my goods and products. It's a great thing to have. Here's the other benefit of having your catalog connected, and we're gonna go deeper into these in other videos, but it's you get basically measurement tools. So this includes you get access to the tag, the API, conversion insights, and product pin analytics. Having these conversion insights and product pin analytics, I would say, are the two greatest sources of information you're gonna draw from, but again, we'll talk about Pinterest tag and API and all those other elements that you get when you connect your catalog. The last is you can promote your products through paid ads. Now, not everybody will want to jump into this right away. We recommend we get everything set up, your verified merchant status, claiming the website, business account, product feed. You want to make sure it's all connected before you dive into ads. But some of our clients have had such great results by doing product ads that really lead to the places they know their customers are going to buy the products, where they have the greatest conversions. So just know that when you do all these connections, you get access to those. It's really great. There is a lot of information out there about selling products on Pinterest, some of it confusing, some of it overwhelming. So what we're gonna aim to do over the next few videos is really break down the pieces and parts and the details of how to have an effective e-commerce strategy on Pinterest. So look below in the description. We're gonna link a bunch of resources, not only products that we have, but resources from Pinterest as well. So you can get up and running pretty quickly with this and get connected right away. So make sure you like and subscribe for more videos over the next little bit all about e-commerce and Pinterest.